How to send and cancel a payment in Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can send and cancel a payment in Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to send and cancel a payment in Cash App, basically to send it, all you have to do is simply open Cash App, then log into your account, enter the amount of money that you want to send, and just tap on the pay option that you can find. Then you just have to enter the name of the cash tag or the SMS or email of the person you're trying to send the money to. Then just tap on the pay option. Once you've done that, you can choose to pay using a cash balance, credit card or debit card, depending on what is comfortable for you. Select that, enter your information, hit the pay option, and then you will be able to successfully send and cancel a payment. Now, to cancel it, unfortunately you can't cancel a payment on Cash App. Even if you come to the transaction history, you just have to try to contact the support team to ask them whether or not they can refund the money for you. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.